Introducing the PYKAL Whistling Kettle. Old world charm meets modern sophistication. Give your kitchen the timeless impression with its classic stainless steel body and polished satin finish. Just take a look at the light bouncing off its sleek stainless steel body. Featuring the advanced iCool handle technology. Once the stovetop is switched off, the handle cools down in a matter of seconds, making it easy to hold. We placed a lot of attention on the kettle's ergonomics as well, featuring a push-button trigger mechanism. With a push of a button, easily trigger the spout to open or close for one-handed spill-free pouring. Take a look at how easy it is to pour. A pleasing whistling sound it is, not too loud or not too soft. Hear it for yourself. It has top quality construction inside and out, and made of extra thick surgical grade stainless steel material which is rust resistant. The PYKAL Whistling Kettle features a 5-layer encapsulated base for quick heating. The 5-layer base comprises of aluminum and iron encapsulated inside extra thick stainless steel. This makes the heating performance extra fast and also assists in water staying hot for longer time. So come on over and enjoy your hot drink with a PYKAL Whistling Tea Kettle. The PYKAL Whistling Kettle comes in a stylish gift box with 2 free infusers and a bonus ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy today for yourself or for someone you love. Experience luxury. Experience PYKAL.